I'll show you how to turn Hold Assist on or off and how the feature actually works on your iPhone. Hold Assist is an AI-powered iPhone feature that takes over when you're put on hold during a call. Instead of you sitting there listening to music or waiting forever, your iPhone stays on the line for you in the background. When a real person finally comes back, your phone buzzes and shows a notification so you can instantly rejoin the call. So let's see how we can enable or disable this feature. And the first thing which you want to check is if you're running the latest iOS version, which is iOS 26 at the time of recording this video. Hold Assist is a new feature which they rolled out in iOS 26, so make sure that you have it. I'm then going to go back to the main settings page and then scroll all the way down towards the bottom of the page and click on Apps. From here, we need to go over to the Phone section and open it. And you're going to see this Hold Assist detection. So just enable this switch right here. Once you turn this switch on, your iPhone will automatically detect when you've been placed on hold and offer to take over the call for you. The next time you hear that hold music or the robotic voice telling you to please wait, a little banner will pop up at the top of your screen asking if you want to activate Hold Assist. Just tap on it, and your iPhone will stay on the line while you go do something else. If this video was useful to you, please consider leaving a like because it would really help me out, and I will see you in the next video.